Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Stripe to Claude AI. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because we will do exactly what we are doing to connect all the softwares, because we go left in the bottom to my name, and you can also do this on the web browser. It works exactly the same. Then we select right here settings, and there we have connectors. Then right here, we select here browse connectors, and now we search right here for Stripe. There we have Stripe, so now we click here on the plus icon, and now he sent us right here to the Stripe website. I'm not using Stripe, so right now I'm a little bit screwed because I don't have an email and a password to log in. But you have a Stripe account, so then it's quite simple. Fill in right here your email address, fill in your password, then click on sign in, then give their permission to use Stripe in Claude AI. And after that, you connected Stripe to Claude AI. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.